What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's been a minute since I've seen y'all. I haven't done a vlog in a while, or how to, or anything, but I've been real busy here lately. But you'll see back in the background of the new build and also the thumbnail of this video. I've been wanting a side-by-side for a while, so and I was really running out of things to do on the channel because Blue Truck is pretty much done. I got some other stuff to do to the Duramax, but I figured this would be a great thing to add to the channel. I got this thing about a month and a half ago. I've added several stuff to it already. Wheels, tires, rock light, or well, I'll show you that in a minute, but I got a smoking deal on it, and that's really why I got it. I was looking at four-wheeler side-by-sides. I've really been wanting a side-by-side for about 2 years or so now. So finally went out and got one. Took it out 2 times so far, and I'm sorry this video is so late and I haven't been able to post here lately. I've been real busy with work and shopping and everything like that. But let me show it to you. It's a 2016 CanAm Commander. It's got the MSA wheels I put on there, D-Stone tires. Love the tires. They measure out to like a 30-31. It's got the Super ATV 2-inch lift, 2.5 inch lift. It came with the Audio Forms rack, but it had different speakers and it had a different radio in here. We built this piece right here, added the switches, and we added this like just a small media player, which Bluetooth, and we'll do aux. Added these 8-inch Rockford fosgate speakers, super loud and super nice. It's also running on a 300 watt by 4 amp. I added this light bar here. So the wheels, tires, rock lights. Oh yeah, let me hit this switch. Purple, baby. Now purple lighting on this thing, which you will see here later what that is for. So yeah, I took this thing out 2 times so far. It's not let me down yet. I've only been stuck once. I really got it mainly to take to Mud Nationals, which was about a month and a half ago, or about a month ago now. I got it about a month and a half, 2 months ago, can't really remember, but yeah, it's really solid rig. The only thing that really needs touching up on it is this bumper, because I think the previous owner hit a tree or hit something, but frame's not bent or anything like that. Just the bumper on the back on this side is caved in, and then the plastic's all scratched up. But I got a buddy of mine supposed to be making me one this week actually, so we'll see how that goes. But I want y'all to stay tuned for this build. Sorry guys, I had to get away from the lawnmower. But yeah, I want y'all to stay tuned for this build. This is gonna be so sick. I plan on doing a lot of things to this thing. Really the main thing is gonna be, I wanna do bigger lift, obviously. More audio, paint, different color. It's gonna be a surprise. The bumper, maybe a custom cage, I'm not too sure, but trying to keep the costs kind of low to stuff that I can do and like people I know can do, so that when we get ready to sell it, we can get what we have back out of it. That's, well, not really all of it back out of it, but not just a complete loss. So I mean, so far this thing has not let me down yet. Like I said, I got a smoking deal on it. It does have it's a little sun faded in some spots in the bumper, but haven't had a lick of problems out of it so far. Added that hitch in there. Yeah. So Polaris recovery unit is in full swing. Also plan, I said lift, paint, more audio. I also want to add some doors, half windshield, and yeah, so It should be a really fun build, and now that I've introduced it to the channel, I will be adding more videos regarding to that, because I'm trying to get ready for a ride here in 3 weeks. Hopefully I can have the doors and then the windshield by then. Probably gonna order at the end of this week, at least the doors or the windshield, one or the other. But it's been a great build so far. Haven't done much to it, but it's really simple right now, but not for long. Y'all stay tuned and I'll get some drone shots.